Don't know how I'm gonna get through my days, and I don't know how I'm gonna forget your face, and I don't know why it's so hard for me to say goodbye. I still think about you and I all the time. Oh no.
In 200 meters, use the right lane to turn right on De La Rosa.
I'm slowly losing control of everything I've ever known.
Hi guys! So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is June 10. Kakarating lang namin dito sa Manila. Medyo hectic talaga yung araw namin today kasi ito lang yung allotted day namin for all of our errands. Upon arriving kanina sa airport, we went straight here sa condo to drop off our luggage. And then, we went to Raxo. Raxo is a travel agency, guys. Kinuha lang namin yung kailangan namin for tomorrow. Yan. Na-try na din naman tong travel agency na to a few years back when we went to Japan din and when we went to Korea. Yun, okay naman yung experience namin sa kanila. Pupunta kami ng Japan tomorrow. Unfortunately, kami lang ni Mama. Kasi Achi is pregnant, she can't travel. And then, Dichi naman, syempre, nasa adjusting period pa kami, guys. So, sa business kasi namin, kailangan syempre ng tao na magsusupervise. So, yung kapatid ko muna. Pero may trip din sila, pero sila lang naman ni Mama. Actually, hindi talaga to yung travel namin kasi we were planning to go to Europe, kaming dalawa. But, dun sa isang travel agency namin, na-dissolve yung group, hindi na-reach yung minimum. Kaya pumunta si Mama ng Raxo to check kung may mga available tours. And sakto din kasi na lumabasan yung Japan visa namin. So, naisip namin, why not go to Japan? Dalawang trips to, guys. First is ito, Tokyo and Osaka. And then, next week or next week, babalik ulit kami ng Japan. Kami ulit ni Mama. Pumunta naman kami sa Hokkaido. I'll be vlogging this trip kasi this will be memorable kasi first time talaga na magta-travel kami out of the country na kami lang ni Mama. Anyway, so kakabalik ko lang din dito, guys, sa condo nang mag-isa because hinatid ko si Mama sa errands niya. And then Mama, siguro magpapasundo na lang siya. Tapos didiretso na kami sa BGC. Siguro mag-check kami sa Gentle Monster and sa Zara doon. Wala lang, baka may mabili lang for this trip. Ngayon, habang naghihintay ako kay Mama, I'm going to try to finish my vlog. I'm going to upload kasi tomorrow. Plano ko, before med school, talagang wala na akong backlogs sa vlogs. So, lahat ng mga pending clips ko dito, tinatry ko na siyang i-edit. And surprisingly, maiikli lang talaga yung mga na-film ko. Kasi nga, syempre, for the past few months, wala talaga ako, guys, sa drive to vlog or like to edit. So, ang konti lang talaga. Like, itong in-edit kong vlog, may September, may October, may November. So, yun. Ganun lang ka-exe. Pero, in-edit ko pa rin siya kasi may mga core memories ko to, guys. Hindi naman ako mag-film kung like, wala lang siya. Anyway. Yun lang naman. Currently 11:30 and kakatapos ko lang mag-mix and match ng outfits ko. Ayos ba? Tapos ginawa ko rin pala yung mga e-travel and yung sa Japan web. I'm so tired. But yeah, I have to pack na because it's getting late. Pupunta kami ng airport tomorrow or like mamaya ng mga 5 a.m. So, kailangan ko na talaga mag-rush. So, let's pack. Oh, and by the way, originally, gusto ko ng collection ni Jenny. But, parang walang frame na bagay sa akin. Kasi, ang liliit ng frames, bilog yung mukha ko, diba? So, gusto ko parang bigger frame para magkaroon ng illusion na mas maliit yung face. What? Ito yung nakita ko. Tinted shades. So, mamaya sa airport, pwede ko na to gamitin. $12.28 na nag-edit pa ako. Kasi iwan ko na yung laptop ko. Ayaw ko magdala ng laptop sa Japan. Kasi feeling ko bigat. So I need to upload this today. Like, right now. Tatapos na rin naman ako. Siguro ma-upload ko ito mga 2:30 a.m.
Some souls aren't meant to be together forever. Cause no matter how hard we try, we'll just live inside of a lie. Some days are bad while others are better, but nothing can save us now. The clock's ticking, the time run out. Let go of the questions, hold on to the lessons we'll take away from this. But give me just one last kiss, and let me make one more wish. I wish that I could show you a heart made of love, a heart made of promises. I don't wanna give us up, but I wish that I could show you a way out of the woods. I wish we had the answers, but we did all that we could. Baby, I wish that I could. Baby, I wish that I could. Baby, I wish that I could. Yeah, we did all that we could. I hear you sing a song when you come home. I'm gonna miss the sound of having you around the house. We pack your stuff, label every box while waiting for your father. Then we make a joke about how we're gonna live without each other. Let go of the questions, hold on to the lessons we'll take away from this. But give me just one last kiss, and let me make one more wish. I wish that I could show you a heart made of love, a heart made of promises. I don't wanna give us up, but I wish that I could show you a way out of the woods. I wish we had the answers, but we did all that we could. Baby, I wish that I could. Baby, I wish that I could. Baby, I wish that I could. Yeah, we did all that we could. Baby, I wish that I could.
Hi guys! Ang bilis lang talaga namin doon sa may Osaka Castle. Kasi nag-take lang kami ng konting photos. Pero mas iniisip namin yung takoyaki. So, pupunta na kami. We only have an hour here. Pero kanina, siguro 30 minutes was spent na. Sa walking pa lang yun. And pabalik na kami. Got the goods. Nasarahan kami ng takoyaki.
It's not like we didn't try hard enough, no.
Tinapay sa unang kagat. Nasa hotel na kami. So, room tour lang. Medyo small yung room. I think ito yung bathroom. Pero, may 2 single beds lang din. Saan mo gusto, ma? Sige, dito na lang. Separate lang yung shower area. Dito. So, ayan siya. Lit lang. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung toilet.
How many burgers and fries did we eat on takeaway nights? How many miles did we burn just to see you?
Lawson, after dinner, check tayo ng pwedeng mabili na food. Favorite. Welcome back. Tinawag ako ng Suntory. Konti lang ng nakauwi na kami and we just rested for a little bit. Nag-pray na rin for Papa. Ngayon, mag-unready na ako kasi I want to sleep early tonight kasi kulang talaga ako guys sa sleep. And also, tomorrow, mahaba-haba yung araw. Like, marami kaming pupuntahan. Pupunta kami sa Nara Park. Punta kami dun sa parang bamboo and then sa temple. Yun, ewan ko. Bahala na tomorrow. Hindi rin kasi masyado familiar sa itinerary. Basta, yun yung tatlong sure ako. So, I'm just going to brush my teeth. Yeah. And then on our way down to eat breakfast. Ma, outfit check. What are you wearing? Top and bottoms from?
Uniqlo.
Top from Uniqlo. Pants from Zara, shoes from Hermes.
Third floor.
Wala. Kasi ang nandun, parang may milk. Ay, ano? Takoyaki. Hi, Mom.
Turtle Island. Alright, so this is Japan from top to bottom. Where from?
Wandering canyon roads, going nowhere. Cell reception's gone, we're really out here. Park my car on the drive, shift to low gear. What's that sound from my wheel, and why can't I steer? Flat tire, shit is looking dire. Truck can't make the trip, so I'm stuck in this ditch. Flat tire, afraid of forest fire. Call my mom on the phone, gonna get her right home. AAA's a joke, how would I know? $10 a mile just for
Bibili muna kami ng biscuits to feed the deer.
If I'm stuck here all night, there might be coyotes. Said they'd be here at 5, but it's
Wait lang kayo, deer. Ay, grabe naman yun. Nanunulak. Ay. Wait, Mama. Wag yung bag, everyone. Nakagat din ako, Ma. Annoying. Ako din kinagataw sa likod. Yan, ito. Yung damit ko, muntik na mapunit. Not friendly. Traumatized. Ayaw na ni Mama lumapit. Kahit may lumalapit na sa kanyang maliit.
Searches on your name, we made a bet. We could be friends. Could be, yeah. Backyard fires, plotting out the dream. Sharing problems, only friends can make you pass the test.
Sushi school for lunch. Gumraduate. Sushi. Kamusta, Mom? She's tired. No.
Hindi naman.
Future self, take my advice. When your lips are chapped, quit speaking out of line. A bloody tongue to set the vibe. If that's the worst, it's on my plate. I'll be alright, I'll be alright. I'll be alright. And if I'm not, I'm pretty sure that I'll be fine. Inconvenience is at best, like when a toe is introduced to every corner of your bed. That's what you get, that's what you get. An optimist that's so depressed by all the good things that inevitably he will have to miss. It's on a black
College in the mountains. And then you can walk the riverside. Walking today, I'm not kidding you know.
Pabalik na kami sa bus. Kami lagi nauuna papunta sa bus. Kasi ayaw namin malate. Ang dami nalalate sa group namin. Maglalahad kami. Dapat pupunta kaming Dotonbori pero tomorrow na lang. Lalahad lang kami ni Mother Dear after dinner.
You'll be my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms. Your arms. Headed straight down through the night clouds, so is my heart pounds 10,000 feet, but you're my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I know you got me, butterfly feeling, edge of a cliff.
Okay, back in the hotel. So, sabi ko hindi ako mag-haul, pero mag-haul na lang din ako. Yung supermarket kanina, sobrang complete na talaga siya, guys. Hindi ko lang alam kung mas mura sa Don Quixote or same lang. Pumunta kami first ni Mama sa department store. Nandun yung mga damit, cosmetics, mga gamot, mga random abubot, like sa kitchenware, ganon. As in, department store talaga siya sa second floor. Sila Achi, nagpabili ng sunblock na parang spray. And then, Band-Aid. Kasi, nasugat ako ng closures kanina. As in, intense. Bumili kami ng Anessa. This one is very cheap kung i-compare man sa, sa Philippines. Kasi, sa Philippines, I think, 1,000 plus, like mga 1,600 or ito, 2,000 plus na yen. Tapos pag kinonvert mo na sa 1,020 pesos lang siya. So, yeah. We got two. I got two lippies from Romand. Espresso lip matte in the shade ES04. And then this lip mud in the shade W4. Tomorrow ko na siya swatch kasi medyo pagod na ako. I also got this parang moisturizer na Bioderma. Naalala ko to, ito yung moisturizer ko before nung dami kong pimples. And then I also got this one day tattoo from K Palette in the shade Ice Black. This parang stick na makakapag-fix kasi ang dami kong baby hair kung mapapansin niyo sa previous clips ko. So, ayan. And then the rest, lahat na to kay mama, mga sa kitchen. And then, sharpener. Mga kitchenware na to. The rest are grocery items na. Pili lang ako ng papakita ko sa inyo kasi ang dami. If you're going to Japan, well, eto, natikman ko to sa Philippines nung galing yung brother-in-law ko sa Japan. May pasalubong siya na ganito. So, natikman ko siya doon. Tapos, ang sarap. I got this gummies, grape gummies na actually never ko pa na-try. And then the rest, hindi ko na papayata kasi sa mom ko siya and yung iba sa mga kapatid ko. Guys, tomorrow is Universal Day. We are going to leave the hotel at around 8:30 a.m. So, I'll just update you kasi mag-aayos na ako dito. Lalagay ko to sa maleta. Kamusta naman, mama, yung day natin? Paki-rate. Actually, yung problem lang namin is yung parang hindi kami nakaka-stay sa isang place ng medyo matagal-tagal. More like lakad going to the tourist spot. Tapos, ang bilis lang talaga. Kami, sa totoo lang, very punctual kami ever since. Pag nagta-travel, pag may call time, talagang nasusunod. Kaso yung iba namin kasama, nalilate. So, in short, nade-delay. Kaya, nasushorten yung time ng mga ibang phases na, no? Kasi may nahabol din, syempre, na time yung tour guide. So, yun lang yung dilemma namin. Kasi kanina, hindi na kami nakapag ikot-ikot dun sa temple kasi ang bilis talaga ng time doon. Kahit dun sa bamboo, hindi na kami nakapunta kasi nalaman namin na maglalakad kami ng another 10 minutes tapos super bilis lang doon. Hindi na kami natuloy. Siguro na may entrance lang kami. Tapos since may mga bamboo na, ayun na, nagsettle lang kami doon. Nagpicture na kami doon. Tapos bumalik na kami ni mama. So on our way back, we also got chocolates from a souvenir shop doon. Sarap shop. So, this one is candy-coated pecan nuts chocolate. Ang sarap talaga. We also got it in other flavors. Matcha. Na-try ko na siya kanina. Okay naman. And then, chocolate. So, yun. Yun lang, guys. Good night na talaga for real. I'll see you tomorrow.